Welcome to Shoviv Software Private Limited. If you want to export EML files of Windows Live Mail and other mail clients into Office 365, and you are unable to come up with a solution, well, we have the perfect solution for you. Introducing Shoviv EML to Office 365 software. This is a very proficient tool, built with advanced technology, also used multi-threading. Here you can export EML file in Office 365 Mailbox, Archive Mailbox, and in Public Folder. The tool also exports the EML files to Outlook PST, Live Exchange, and MSG files. It supports all versions of Outlook, 32 and 64-bit, and all versions of Exchange Server. And all this is done without interrupting your file item's metadata. To download the software, you may visit www.shoviv.com/import-eml to Office 365.html and install the software. As you open the software, the home screen of the tool will appear. Click on Demo to check out the demo version of the software. Using the Browse button, you can simply select the folder or any specific drive. After selecting the folder, click OK. Using the Search button, the software will list up all the folders and subfolders having EML files from the browsed one. And using the Add button, you can add that specific folder. Software will check whether the folder has EML files. Use Trim Folder Level to customize the hierarchy of your destination folders, depending on your needs. Either you can trim the folder hierarchy, or use the default hierarchy. The software display a unique target path for each hierarchy that you select. You can also customize the folder hierarchy using the \. The software allows the users to remove the folders which they do not want to export. Click OK to proceed. Now, select the folder. The EML items of the folder will appear. Click on Office 365. After that, here, you can change the export type. The software can export the EML file in MSG, PST, Exchange Server, Office 365, and in Outlook Profile also. After selecting the Export in Office 365 option, from Export Type, you have to provide the username and password in which file will be exported. The software can export your EML file in Mailbox, Public Folder, or Archive Mailbox of Office 365. You can also select the export filter criteria, such as Subject, From, and To. You can include or exclude the selected criteria. Click on Export button to start the process. The demo version will process the first 50 items per EML file folder. Click on List button to check the exported or filtered items. The software also generates the report, which you can export in HTML format. Click Save. A message box will appear, from where you can check the report. This is the simplest way by which you can export EML files to Office 365 mailboxes using Shoviv EML to Office 365 software. For any sales-related queries, mail us at sales@shoviv.com. For any support-related queries, mail us at support@shoviv.com. And to contact us, visit www.shoviv.com/contact us. Thanks for watching.